Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 with 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one comes with the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, sports package with a sports exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, crystal gray MB text interior with a black wood trim, sunroof, and up the tailgate we got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, premium one package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for the infotainment center, different driving selections. This E-Class has 58,723 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2016 Mercedes-Benz E350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.